is
Sir, so
waiting.
what kind of a Philippines would you like to leave your youngest child at yung inyong mga apo?
I have 6 years. Very short. Unlike the other candidates, I would not promise you skylines. You cannot build it in 6 years. We do not have the money. I will just improve immediately itong mobility ng tao sa Luzon. I will go after drugs and crime harshly. So I will make the city or the Philippines comfortable for everybody.
Habol ko lang po sana, you have mentioned po, sir, kanina na yung 20 pesos na bigas, per kilo na bigas. Kailan po kaya yun i-expect natin na marirealize? May ano po ba tayo? May timetable po tayo for this?
Yesterday, if not sooner. Lahat ng timetable ko, yesterday, if not sooner. Lahat yan, ASAP. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Kasi minamalas din tayo sa weather. Kaya hindi mo matiyak kung ano yung magiging production, ano yung magiging supply. Oo. So, tignan natin. Pababa na ng pababa. We'll keep working on it.
Thank you po.